Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yeni Wulandari, and now I will presentation about my final test. And my final test title is Analysis of Food and Beverage Service Quality at the Green City Hotel Lampung. Why I choose this title? Because this title can improve my knowledge about service at hotel, and then add my knowledge about duties, responsibilities in the hotel. I will explanation about result of the researcher. There are three kinds research of the data in this research. They are from questionnaire, observation, and the documentation. Data of questionnaire is a assessment of perception and expectation from 35 visitors of restaurant in the Green City Hotel Lampung. The research data of questionnaire is the mean score of service quality on the 5 dimensions, which the formula contained in the Wijaya Tony's book. The table showed the research score of quality on the 5 dimensions of service quality. Number 1, tangible. Number 2, reliability. Number 3, responsiveness. Number 4, empathy. And the last is assurance. In this table, the quality of the Green City Hotel Lampung under 1. So, the conclusion of quality in the Green City Hotel Lampung is not good. The data of observation is the data how good the staff, environment, equipment in the restaurant of the Green City Hotel Lampung. Documentation. Data of documentation in this research are information and formulation that needed to arrange this research. Those are got by the writer from journal and book which already exist. And the discussion. In the questionnaire, there are 2 dimensions that has score of quality less than 1. They are tangible and reliability dimension. It means there must be increase the quality of service in that dimension. Tangible with 0.96 score and reliability with 0.95 score of service quality. The solution from the negative value which occurred in the tangible dimension are: the management of hotel should upgrade the excess equipment, provide telephone service in the restaurant, and machine for printing the bill to facilitate transaction. And the management of hotel, especially in engineering department, should check regularly and do maintain again Wi-Fi hotspot of the hotel. And the management of the Green City Hotel Lampung should change the setting to the modern style which can aid interest of the visitor. And the solution from the negative value which occurred in the reliability dimension are: the Green City Hotel Lampung management can make regular meeting schedule between the personnel of hotel to discuss development in the hospitality industry and give a book that contain appraised knowledge about a hotel which can used by the personnel to increase their knowledge. And management of the Green City Hotel Lampung can do training to the personnel of hotel through especially training from hotel or national seminar about hotel. Discuss in observation. There are some problems that found by the writer during observation. The problem are the environment. Restaurant is small, the equipment which exists was incomplete, and lacks of content in the menu. The solution from the problem that flagged by the writer during observation are: the Green City Hotel Lampung management should expand the environment of restaurant to provide more space for customers. The management of the Green City Hotel Lampung should be upgraded to the equipment in the restaurant and adding very important equipment like telephone service and machine for printing the bill. And the management of the Green City Hotel Lampung should adding variation of food and drink, both local menu, and the international menu to attract the visitor. And the quality of food and beverage service in the Green City Hotel Lampung is not good. The management of the Green City Hotel Lampung should increase the quality service in food and beverage hotel, especially in tangible and reliability dimension of service quality. And I will suggestion for the hotel, adding equipment in the food and beverage department of hotel. The equipment are telephone service and machine for printing the bill, expanding the restaurant building, the providing more space to customer, and adding the content of menu to provide many of food and drink, so the visitor more interest to come to the restaurant. For the reader, this study means to broaden learning materials in the implementation of theory which obtained for the campus and give new knowledge about food and beverage service in a hotel to the reader. And for the future researcher, this study expected to be used as material for related study to the quality of food and beverage service in hotel and recommended to further researcher to use the newest method and theories. Okay, that's all my presentation about my final test. So I hope this presentation will explain you about my final test and the content in my final test. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.